Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another unboxing video. I got a bunch of beautiful things from BeeBeeCraft.com. Thank you, BeeBeeCraft. And we did an overview video showing me unboxing or unbagging because it came in a bag. All of the items, but I just wanted to do a quick overview, and now we're going to do a more in-depth video of each of the things one at a time. So today we are looking at the beading loom. So as you can see, this came to me in the mail. It was sent in a bag, and it was sent wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap. But unfortunately, they aren't very careful in the mail when they deliver things, and the box got damaged. So here's crossing our fingers that the interior is not damaged. So anyway, BeeBeeCraft sent me these to review, and I'm not sponsored, so I will be giving my real reactions to everything. I will be trying these on the channel. I'll be making a bracelet, I believe. I'm going to have to watch a lot of YouTube videos to figure out how to use it. But anyway, here at the back, it tells you this loom is perfect for beginners to DIY all kinds of jewelry crafts such as necklaces, bracelets, belts, keychains, etc. After making it, you can give it as a gift to friends and family. Such a hardy handicraft will definitely win everyone's love. Well, that is adorable. I love their advertising over there. And this item costs $10.13 American, or $14.15 Canadian. And I've never seen it anywhere before. So I haven't seen this at Michael's. I'm sure Amazon might have something similar, but I haven't seen it. So when I saw it, I was really intrigued. And I thought, yeah, because you know me, I love trying new crafts. Whether I'll be good at it, who knows. But I love trying new things. So bring it on. So we're going to take it out of the bag. And get rid of the bag. So, where is it? Here it kind of shows you there's 5 steps. Step number 1 appears to be putting 1 string. And step number 2 is like several strings. And then step number 3 is like adding beads. And I don't know. It looks like they're holding it there with their finger. And here they're going through with a needle and thread. And number 5 shows several rows. So, yeah, let's see whether this made it. Lots of plastic. I'm going to have to grab my scissors. Oh, it was open. I guess I already did that. I don't remember doing that. Maybe it was already open. Okay, whoa. Okay, so I did not expect it to come with beads. So this, I thought I was just getting the kit. They're giving me enough stuff to make something. That's awesome. I thought I would have to order the beads separately. Well, this is a very nice surprise. They gave me some of these little teeny tiny beads. And I do have a lot of little teeny tiny beads as well, in different colors. And it comes with these silver things, which I have no idea what they are. Let me look at the listing. Oh yeah, these do show up on the listing. And, It says what the diameter are, but it doesn't say what these are called. I can't see what these are called. So if anyone knows, if you make jewelry and you know what these little silver things are called, let me know. Because I haven't got a clue. Alright, little silver tubey things. And in here, I believe we have needles? Really? Yeah. It's like a little silver tray. I don't have a silver tray. Not silver. Oh my god, I can't talk. I was looking at the silver needles and saying silver, and I meant to say triangular. Okay, look. We have a little triangular tray and some needles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 needles. Very tiny needles. This might be hard for me. My eyes aren't that great. I need to make an appointment with the doctor now that I'm home, the eye doctor. Problem is I don't have a regular doctor, so usually to see the eye doctor, you need, in Canada anyway, you need a regular doctor to make you that appointment. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. Maybe I can just go to an eyeglasses place. I used to always just do that. Okay, we've got 2 things of either thread or elastic. I can't tell. Strong, stretchy. Strong and stretchy. Oh yeah, it's elastic. It's elastic cord. There is some stretch. Okay, I'm just gonna, I see a little slot here. I'm just gonna slot it in that slot. So look at how nice they give us 2 of these. I'll do you a close-up so you can see what it says on here. This one says size 6. And this one says size color blank, but it does say 0.6 right here. Okay, that's very, very nice that they sent those. I'm going to just put them back in here in this little bag so I don't lose them if they unwind. And there's another little bag in there. Whoa, it came flying out. It is a little mini rolling pin. No, it's not. I think it's the part, one of the parts that goes either here or here. Clearly, right? All right. Are we ready? Please don't be damaged. Please don't be damaged. Okay, this is the part of the box that was damaged and this wasn't. And as I'm looking, the part where it's damaged, it's hollow anyway. And let's see. Oh, it could have been bad because this was at the bottom where the box was damaged, but thankfully the box just got damaged in where the hole is. So this is in fine. It looks like it's in good condition. I'll try to find a part of the box that's not damaged to show you. Yeah, it's in good condition. But this is not on there. So it looks like it has like a washer. And I'm imagining it just sits in here. And you have to screw it in like this one is screwed in. I don't know why this one's not screwed in. And if you look up here at the top, there's like a little circular, like a spring thing almost on both sides. And no instructions at all. So, yeah, I don't see any instructions, you guys. So I'm going to look. It says it comes with instructions, but mine did not. It says great for beginners. It comes with instructions, unless they're counting these as the instructions. Simply add 1 clasp tube to your beading creation to complete the entire beading process. Stainless steel slide on end clasp tube, durable and sturdy, is good connection. Okay, you guys, I'm imagining this is the sterling steel thing. I'm imagining this has to get undone and then put on the way this is. I really haven't got a clue. So you can see here, the silver is on the outside on this side, but the silver is on the inside in this side, and the wing nut is on the outside. I'm thinking the big silver thing needs to be on the outside on all the sides. Because how else is it going to hold? Hang on. If my dad were home, he would look at this in 2 seconds and put it together. He just understands stuff with nuts and bolts and stuff. Whereas I don't. I don't have that capability. Don't laugh at me. Okay. Laugh at me if you want. I think it has to go like this. And then tighten. Because I have bird toys that go in my cage that are with these kind of wing nuts. And that's how I have to do them. Okay. So now it's on there. I think the silver thing needs to be on the outside to hold that in place. This one isn't. And it doesn't turn. I think maybe these are supposed to turn, but I don't know. So if you guys have one, let me know. Did I put this one on right with the big silver thing on the outside? I don't know. This one spins. This one doesn't. Maybe one is supposed to spin and one isn't. But if they're both supposed to spin, I could take that off and put it back on. And I guess these are what I use to connect them. You guys, I don't know. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to watch YouTube videos about how to use it. And then after I do that, I will try this out myself without being on camera. Unless you want to see my first time on camera, which will probably be me dropping things a lot and maybe saying things I shouldn't. But if you want to see that, let me know. But then I figured after I make a bracelet or two, I'll come back and film myself making a bracelet to show how this works and give you my ideas about whether this is worth it or not. For $10 American and under 15 Canadian, it seems good if it works, right? 14, 15 Canadian, yeah. And I got it for free. So I would have liked some instructions, but they might be saying that these are the instructions. And I'm really impressed that they sent all this stuff. So anyway, that is the beading loom, you guys. And all of the parts for the beading loom. Very excited to try and see whether I like this. So, like I said in the comments, if you know how to use this, let me know. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And BeeBeeCraft, thank you so much for sending this to me. I can't wait to try it out. And if you guys want to buy this or anything else at BeeBeeCraft, they were kind enough to give me a coupon code CAT10. So capital K, lowercase at, and the number 10 for 10% off on whatever you decide to buy. Okay, guys, so we're going to go over to the website, and I'll show you what it looks like on the website, okay? Okay, guys, so here we are at the BeeBeeCraft.com website. You can see the address up here. I will put the link in the description box below. And we are on the page for this adorable little loom. You can see here it's by N Beads. It's a metal bead loom kit, including glass seed beads, elastic thread, beading needles, 304 stainless steel slide-on end clasp tubes, beaded plastic diamond tray, ornament for jewelry making bracelets, and it shows you the number right here. And it shows you the list price was $23.99, and it was on sale for Canadian $9.57. If you go up into the corner here, you can change this to any dollar amount you want. So if you're American, it is $6.76, and the British pound is $5.31, and there's Australian, Japanese, there's all kinds, but we're gonna head on back to the Canadian dollar because I'm Canadian. And it shows you all of the things that you get with this. You could click and make it bigger. It shows you how to use it and some close-up pictures. Shows you the product size. And here's some samples of the different bracelets you could make. That's cute. Yeah, and you can make earrings. You can make all kinds of things. So I have since watched some videos on YouTube about how to use this. So I'm really excited to get started. Anyway, you can add this to your love list if you want. You can add it to your cart or buy it now. And don't forget, if you use the coupon CAT10, you can get 10% off. And also, they sell beads. So you can buy beads to go with this. They sell tons and tons of beads and jewelry findings and all kinds of things. All right? So we're just going to head back to the regular video now. Okay, guys, I am back. The website's pretty cool, right? So I hope you liked all of this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And in the comments, if you know how to use this, let me know. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you for watching. BeeBeeCraft, thank you so much for sending this to me. Take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.